Ofe Nsala is one rich and delicious soup that is so easy to make. It is also called white soup because no oil is required to make it. So keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get all notifications. Now let's get started. In a clean pot, I added some goat meat, cow tripe and some roundabout. Next, I'm going to season with some Knorr cube, a bit of salt, some pepper and onion. Mix this well to combine. Cover and let it cook in its own liquid. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and peel some yam. I'll use some of the yam as thickener, and the rest I'll use as pounded yam. The best swallow for this soup is pounded yam. That notwithstanding, you can use any swallow of your choice, but it is best served with pounded yam. So go ahead, cut the yam and peel them. Cut them into smaller chunks and place in a bowl of water. If you live in a country where you can't find yam, then you can use any thickener available. I'm sure you can find tubers like Irish potatoes in a shop or store close to you. You can also use potato starch. After peeling the yam, reserve about 10 pieces for your soup and then place the rest in a pot. Add water and cook until it's done before you can go ahead and pound it or blend in your food processor for your pounded yam. Because of time constraints, I might not be showing the full details in this video. Honestly, I couldn't believe that the only yam left in my kitchen that I was to use and prepare this soup was already half spoiled, but I got to use it like that anyway. The main reason why I place my yam in a bowl with water is to actually retain its colors before the time of use. I checked on the meat after 20 minutes and the meat was already half cooked. Next, I'll go in with some stockfish, then my neatly washed dry fish. I'll be using some Uziza seed, Ogiri okpei, fresh pepper and some crayfish as my main ingredients for this recipe. I added the blended Ogiri and Uziza seed. Then I went in with the blended crayfish and fresh pepper. I also added some Uda seed. I didn't have to blend it because I don't want an overpowering taste of the Uda seed, okay? After that, I added extra water and then the yam that I reserved earlier on. Cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes or until the yam is soft. While the yam was cooking, I went ahead to prepare my vegetable. I'll be using Uziza leaves for this recipe. If you don't know, this is what Uziza leaves looks like and it's already washed. So I'll slice it into tiny bits and set aside. After 10 minutes, I checked and the yam was soft. So I'm going to remove the yam from the stock and continue cooking the protein. The trick here is to count your yams before adding. This makes it easier while trying to remove it. Now, I'll add my yam in a blender and blend until it's smooth. At this point, please taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. Then I'll go in with the already blended yam. This serves as the thickener for the soup. Once I've added the yam, I'll cover the pot and allow this to cook for 10 minutes until it's completely dissolved. 10 minutes later, I opened up the pot and guys, the aroma here was nose blinding. So I'm going to give this a gentle mix and then finish up with some Uziza leaves. And our soup is ready. It looks, smells and tastes delicious. Look at the consistency now. If you are still watching at this point, please do well to subscribe if you haven't. Also hit the notification button to be the first to know anytime I post new videos. So tell me, would you be trying my white soup recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.